Thank you so much for signing up for the first Strive for Simplicity workshop, which takes place this Monday. I'm Finn Kollerup, and I have the pleasure of organizing and facilitating the workshop together with Kenneth Pihl, Saskia Hansen, and Eva Lund. This is an invitation for you to actually prepare for the workshop and indeed to engage with the entire Strive for Simplicity process. We have turned the ordinary questionnaire upside down, so to speak. So instead of we asking you a lot of boring and perhaps irrelevant questions, you get to ask each other exciting questions, at least one from each of you, and perhaps also answer a few of them. We call this a quest. All you have to do is to follow the simple instructions given by the system. The whole process starts this Monday afternoon and ends on Friday, where you receive a full report with all the questions and answers. It shouldn't take up more than 5 to 10 minutes of your time, and it will be worth your time. You will soon receive an invitation by email. If you haven't received one, please check your spam filter. I look forward to meet you all on Monday and also to see all your exciting questions and answers.